Hi, welcome to your CareForIT trial. This video is going to show you how to add visits to your clients' care plans and begin to schedule those visits. To add visits for your clients, you need to click into the client's profile and then into the care plan tab and open the regular visits/services section and input all the necessary information for the regular visit. Once added to the care plan, you can then go to Rota and List View to view these visits. Once on the list view, you can then begin to assign your staff to the visits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us on all our social media platforms.